welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be showing you what I want to do with the car and basically the kind of videos that are going to be released on my channel for probably a month or so. But yeah, if you enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So the inside, basically all I'm going to do is just shampoo all the seats, shampoo all the fabric, obviously just give it a good clean, get rid of all the dust and everything. But the main things I'm going to do in this car is the center console. Obviously I've took that out, that needs spraying, and the speedo surround, I've took that out, that needs spraying as well. I'm going to spray it probably a gloss black, and I've seen you can get a custom made one of these, so I'll probably end up doing that at some point. And hopefully, I have been given this, I need to put that in because my old one didn't work. So for now that's going in, and I'm going to look for a Bluetooth one. And obviously you're going to have to change, I think they are the speakers, because I can't find anything else that resembles a speaker, so I'm guessing that is, like there is the speaker. So I need them uprating a little bit, so they need changing. I'm pretty sure one doesn't work, so I'm going to have to, once I get all that connected in, I'm going to find out which one doesn't work. But other than that, nothing else is really going to change in here, just a good clean up. But yeah, with all this, all just needs sanding down and a bit of black paint over it probably. And obviously with them bits, all this just needs a good clean. That's all I got to do with this. I'm not doing any performance mods because it's my first car. I don't want to spend a fortune on my insurance. So all of it's literally just going to get cleaned, and all the mods I'm going to do is basically just make it look nicer. Maybe it's someday I'll put something in it, but probably not. I'll just buy a new car, and a car that goes quicker and a bigger engine, but there you go. But all this is just going to be cleaned, sanded down, sprayed, and yeah, that's all I'm going to do with under there. And with the outside bonnet, it's going to be black. People have said to me that I should do a black bonnet and a black roof as well, but I'm not sure. For the start, I'm going to just do the black bonnet and then just sort the whole car out, because obviously you see this side is a completely different red to that side, and the bumpers are just completely different colour to all of it. So that all needs sorting out. All of that besides the bonnet is going to be sprayed red, and that's obviously going to be black. And obviously both the bumpers, they need spraying, because you can tell completely different colours of the car. So it all just needs made the same colour really. With the wheels, hubcaps, they look alright, but I'm gonna at some point get some Yaris T-Sport wheels. I need new tyres anyway, so hopefully I can get some bigger tyres, some like ones that fill the arch a little bit more, so then I don't have to actually lower it, because the car's already low really anyway. It could go lower, but it's a small car and you feel like you sat on the road already. So but yeah, Yaris T-Sport wheels, that's probably what I'm going to do for the rims anyway. But I need 4 new tyres either way, so if I could find some bigger ones, that'd be quite good. And with the side, the trim, I am going to keep the trim I think, but at some point I am going to get something to go on the side there. So if you've got anything to put on there, send me a link in the comments or whatever else. And with the lights, I can see you can get some clear ones of these, so hopefully I'm going to get some clear ones, and probably get LED ones of these, because they all just get all you can see in there, get all wet inside of there. But other than that, I've got a few holes I need to fill in because I took the badge off. Don't know if there's actually one around the back. No, it's just obviously this all just needs spraying up. Hopefully some point get a body kit so that'll make it look lower at the back again. Obviously get a new exhaust, and yeah, that's basically all I'm going to do without the outside at the minute. I've got some back to black to get all these sorted out, get the wing mirrors sorted out. Obviously it all just needs a clean really. I'm going to have to sand all this down because it's got all the lacquer on it, so that's all going to have to be sanded before I do it. But yeah, other than that, I can't really think of anything else I'm going to do at the minute. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.